Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your shirt color change on Capcut PC. So first you'll need a video of you wearing a green shirt because it won't work if you don't have it. Put it on the second layer, go to cutout and select Chroma Key and select the green bit of the shirt. And you're just going to want to adjust the strength. You can adjust the shadows later. You're then going to pick any color that you want. Okay, maybe not this blue one because it's going to match with the background. I'll go with like this pink shirt because why not? Scale it up. It's going to look super weird. Go back to the color picker and add in like shadows to your shirt. There's still going to be, actually no, if you adjusted the strength more, it's going to disappear. But yeah, the hair isn't perfect, but that's how you can change it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.